guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo back edge hood moldings by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Our back edge hood moldings are manufactured to the original OEM specifications. Each molding is made from mold form stainless steel. At the end of the production line, every molding is polished to perfection, giving it that mirror-like finish. This molding fits 1968 and 69 Chevelle and El Camino SS and non-SS, 1970 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino non-SS, and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo SS and non-SS. We also offer the correct molding for 1970 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino SS Cowl Induction style moldings as well. We've sold thousands of these to satisfied customers over the years. Our customer photos speak for themselves. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.